The trail keeps going, but there's a turnoff here. So I'm going to follow my ears and see if there's some waterfalls down there. And they're great. There's a lot of frost around, and a lot of it's granite, and I'm worried about slipping.
But there's more to the upper falls than what I just saw, so I'm going to keep going. I'm glad I came to see the upper falls. They're great, and the ice around the edges makes them even more interesting. But at this point, I'm going to turn around and head back down the trail.